3, 2, 1.
At 18,510 feet in height and located in the Caucasus mountain range, what is the highest peak in all of Europe? The answer is D, Mount Elbrus. What season causes people to look forward to spring? The answer is B, winter. What is the average number of sweat glands in the skin per square inch? 6.5 cm2. The answer is D, 650. Aerodown, who according to Newsweek's CW 2008 is ill-informed, inarticulate shopaholic that has an ego bigger than Alaska. The answer is B, Sarah Palin. Writer and artist Edward Gorey died at the age of 75 at his home in Cape Cod. What caused his death? The answer is B, heart attack. The Cleveland Tigers, the Muncie Flyers, the Hammond Pros, and the Dayton Triangles were some of the original teams in which league? The answer is C, NFL. The nervous system sends observations in the form of electrical signals to what? The answer is B, person's flesh. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The answer is A, Margaret Thatcher. Which is the smallest prime number that cannot end a Fibonacci sequence, as the last two numbers added together always results in another prime number? The answer is D, 13. What is the smallest prime number greater than 20? The answer is A, 23. In The Simpsons, what is the name of Bart's older brother? The answer is B, Marge. What is the study of plant and animal life and their relationships to each other and to their physical environment called? The answer is A, genetics. Which molecule is a sugar combined with a phosphate group and an amino acid? The answer is A, glycoprotein. What is the name given to the study of waves and their behaviors? The answer is A, thermodynamics. What name does Bastian give to the childlike empress in the never-ending story? The answer is C, Moonchild. Which piece of written work starts with the line Pippin looked out from the shelter of Gandalf's coat? The answer is A, The Return of the King. Which tool is used for opening tins and cans? The answer is C, can opener. Many hydrocarbons are cyclic and adopt specific three-dimensional structures that influence their physical and what properties? The answer is A, chemical. In the Dark Tower series of books, Eddie Dean mysteriously resembles which one of Roland's dead friends? The answer is C, Cuthbert Allgood. Which human organ system produces hormones to regulate growth, development, and reproduction? The answer is D, endocrine. Every new witch receives a special craft name which they only disclose to coven members and keep a secret from everyone else. What? The answer is B. Knowing the craft name gives magical powers. According to the M*A*S*H series, Trapper John went to Want Famous University where he played football. The answer is C. Dartmouth. In which movie does Kevin McAllister yellow the house? The answer is A. Home Alone 2. The language Moroccan Arabic belongs to which language family? The answer is A. Afro-Asiatic. Which one of these Orlando Bloom movies came out first? The answer is D. Wilda. Which cell type produces antibodies? The answer is D. Immune cells. What has the average global temperature done since the 1900s? The answer is B. Risen. Which statement describes the reason why an ice cube melts when set out in a warm room? The answer is A. Heat from the room is absorbed by the ice cube. Steve Carroll is a graduate of Denison University. Where is its campus located? The answer is B. Granville, Ohio. Which element was once thought to be a mythical metal, Philosopher's Stone? The answer is D. Mercury. What is the phenomenon of remembering things that didn't actually happen called? The answer is B. Confabulation. Where did Harry buy his wand? The answer is C. Ollivanders. Which book is about a dystopian society controlled by Big Brother? The answer is B. 1984. Seattle was named after the Native American chief Seattle who belonged to what tribe? The answer is B. The Suquamish. Which company manufactured the first commercially successful microcomputer? The answer is B. IBM. Which kitchen tool can be found in the dishwasher? The answer is D. Silicone brush. What is Jean-Jacques Rousseau's famous work? The answer is A. The Social Contract. What is the philosophical concept behind the Matrix? The answer is D. Dualism. What do we call the orderly sequence of events in the life of a cell from the division of a single parent cell to produce two new daughter cells to the subsequent division of those daughter cells? The answer is D, cell cycle. Who stabbed Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. in the chest while he was autographing his recently published book in Harlem, New York? The answer is D, Azolla Curry. Which plant has the tallest stem? The answer is A, Rafflesia arnoldii. What is the word for a group of dolphins? The answer is C, school. What is the smallest living organism that can be seen by the naked eye? The answer is D, plant. Who developed classical conditioning? The answer is B, Pavlov. Which language is known as Esperanto in itself? The answer is D, Esperanto. Which number follows 0, 3, and a pattern that adds up its two neighbors? The answer is B, 4. In the animated family movie Meet the Robinsons, what color were the gym teacher's shorts? The answer is C, green. Who wrote the book Atlas Shrugged? The answer is B, Ayn Rand. Which tech giant developed the Android operating system? The answer is D, Google. The actress who plays Dr. Cuddy in the series House also had a role in what popular law TV series?